How do I turn location detection back on?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to turn location detection back on in your device. This could be extremely helpful if you need to use services that require your geographic information.
What is location detection?
Before we dive into the steps, let's briefly discuss what location detection is. Location detection is a feature in most smartphones and computers that allows your device to determine your geographical location. This feature is used by various apps and websites to provide location-specific services, such as weather updates, navigation, and local news.
How to enable location on Android devices?
Here are the steps to turn on location detection on an Android device. 1. Open your device's Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon. 2. Tap on Location. You may need to scroll down a bit to find this option. 3. Toggle the switch to On. If the switch is grayed out, it means the location service is off. Tapping on it should turn it blue, indicating that location services are now on.
How to enable location on iOS devices?
To turn location detection back on in an iOS device, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app. The icon looks like a gear. 2. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. This is where you can control which apps have access to certain parts of your phone, including location services. 3. Tap on Location Services. Here, you can turn on or off location services altogether or for individual apps. 4. Turn on Location Services. If the toggle is gray, that means it's off. Tap on the toggle, and it should turn green, indicating that location services are on.
How to enable location on Windows computers?
For those using Windows computers, you can enable location services by following these steps. 1. Open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. 2. Click on Settings. This will open up your computer's settings dashboard. 3. Click on Privacy. This is where you can adjust what data your device collects and uses. 4. Click on Location. Here, you can turn on or off location services for your device. 5. Turn Location On. Under the Location Service heading, toggle the switch to On. And that's it. Those are the steps you need to follow to turn location detection back on for your Android device, iOS device, or Windows computer. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, if you ever want to turn off location detection, you can follow these steps again and simply switch the toggle to Off. Stay safe and see you in our next video tutorial.